likes camera action.
Just having them pick up my trade-in because I'm not able to ride quite yet, and they will be delivering my newer bike in a few days. This is pretty cool. I thought I'd record this just for the fun.
And it stops. It tripped.
Oh. Tripped the breaker. Hey, you're going the wrong way.
Are you still filming? I was gonna do it over again.
No, just put it up.
My fuse is getting hot.
Your fuse was getting hot. There you go. That's how you load this deal in their truck mounted bike rack. Cool.